In an effort to avert a looming old age crisis in the country, Zamara Pension Scheme has set up a new project that will see middle to low income earners in the country save up by depositing as little as 50 shillings in the scheme as part of the strategy to encourage a savings culture among the over 14 million eligible pension contributors.
Those of us who work in the formal sector, we have generally got a reasonably good financial support system around us. Many of us are in pension plans. We can easily access financial advice right at our doorstep. But there's millions of Kenyans out there who have no retirement saving at all. And their only hope is that their children will take care of them in their old age.
According to Zamara CEO Sundeep Raichura, most pension schemes registered by the Retirement Benefits Authority (RBA) are so focused on covering employees of state corporation and companies, leaving hundreds of those in the informal sector, a trend that he says denies them an opportunity to a decent retirement.
Even though we are currently a young nation, right? We are about 2 million people above the age of 60. But if you look ahead at the next 20 years, we will be 9.2 million Kenyans above the age of 60. 90% of them will have no pension. And if you think about the amount of money that we would need to fund the welfare of these elderly, we are looking at about 300 billion shillings plus in current money terms.
His sentiments have also been echoed by Mr Zamara, the CEO of the Retirement Benefits Authority, who says despite the majority of Kenyans being in the informal sector, the effort by pension schemes to reach out to them is still wanting, further acknowledging the frustration by a majority of civil servants whenever it is time to collect their pension. Mr Nzomo has, however, defended the move by the authority to prevent Kenyans of working age to access their pension benefits, saying it puts them at risk of dependency in the future.
The purpose of that provision was to ensure people get adequate benefits when they retire, because we have seen the statistics, pension adequacy in Kenya is very low. So we have done a lot of good work in terms of putting up a good system for pensions. We invest that money well. But at the end of the day, people are not getting adequate pension because every time they change jobs, they are accessing the money, and therefore what is left is very little, and then the pension is not adequate.
Jimmy Mbogo, K24 Business.